Welcome. I want to share something with you that can make all the change when it comes to your lower back, hip, and pelvis region. We spend so much time in a seated posture, and those muscles, ligaments, and nerves are being affected. And we generally work off to one side. As creatures, we have a habit of favoring one side, and that one side will cause muscles along the lower part of the spine, more prominently on one side, as well as the pelvis and the buttocks region. And that can affect nerves that come out, that can affect ligaments, tendons, and ultimately pain and discomfort. So what we're going to be able to do is free up these deep muscles below the erector spinae. These muscles are called the quadratus lumborum, as well as the piriformis and the hip external muscles. By doing this one technique, using a pillow, you are going to be amazed. You're going to sit on a floor, in a corner, you can watch TV. It's so simple, but so effective. We're going to be able to stretch the lower lumbar area, the pelvis, as well as the hip muscles, all at one time. So let me show you how simple and effective this technique is. My complaint is on my left side. Therefore, we're going to take a pillow, any small pillow you may have, and you're going to put it under the right buttocks. By placing it under the right buttocks, it's going to lift our left side a little bit off the ground. So more stress is on the right side right now, as we have less pressure on our involved side, if it's your left side. So what we're going to do first is we're going to take this left leg and put it over the right leg. You can use your other arm to support yourself. I just want you to push that top leg down on top of the other leg. And you'll feel some pulling on that whole left side, but it gets better. Now what I'd like you to do, you can take your other hand, put it on the other side, and just lean over and hold it. You're going to stretch out those deep lumbar muscles as well as the buttocks and hip muscles just by laying around like this. Hold it in that position 30 seconds, a minute, 2 minutes while you're watching TV. Just hang out like this. Let's take it to the next level. Now we'll put our elbow down and we'll lean all the way onto our elbow. And you will really feel tremendous stretching of those deep, deep muscles that you can't even get to otherwise. Just hang out in this position. And after about 30, 60 seconds, we can take it to the furthest level. And what we'll do is we'll take that top leg, we'll bring the knee up like this, we'll take this hand and we'll pull it over. So as we're pulling it over and as we're leaning onto that elbow, we're getting the maximum stretch we can get all the way in the deep lumbar muscles, the pelvic, all the way on the left side of the buttocks, as well as the hip muscles as we pull it over. This is an amazing exercise. You can do both sides, but remember, whatever side the involvement is, the pillow will go on the opposite buttocks. With all the sitting we do every day at work, driving, on our smartphone, on the computer, I know that this exercise will really do wonders for you. Please share this with your friends and family. Leave your comments below, and most important, make it a great day. I'm Dr. Alan Mandell.